There's a night that brings peace to the hearts of millions around the world. Shab-e-Urs. The great Sufi Maulana Rumi saw that not as an end, but as a reunion with Allah, a wuslat. That's why the night of his passing, December 17, is known as Shab-e-Urs, the wedding night.
La Tassan. Don't be sad. Don't be upset if people have broken your heart. Didn't the merciful say, I'm in the broken hearts?
It's not just a commemoration. It's a time when humanity's shared message of love, tolerance, and unity is remembered once again. Maulana's call of "Come, whoever you are" and the 750-year-old Mevlevi tradition come alive once more tonight, with the rhythms of the Sema, the sound of hymns, and an atmosphere of deep serenity across the world. Sema, an important part of the Shab-e-Urs ceremonies, is a spiritual journey. The whirling of the dervishes symbolizes the turning of the universe and the spiritual ascent towards Allah. We too are retelling the story and legacy of Maulana on tabii. You are invited to explore the meaning of Shab-e-Urs, its depth, and the light Rumi left to humanity through the series Maulana Rumi on tabii.